Hi, this is Irene and welcome back to Yooeating. Today we are on the other side of my kitchen and I'm going to be showing you how to make Ddukbokki, but with our own Yooeating spin on it. Hint, it may involve fire. That did not work. Ddukbokki is a classic Korean street food. It's one of my favorite things to get in Korea. They have all these little street food vendors that have big, steamy, simmering trays of Ddukbokki, and when you order some, they'll give it to you in a little paper cup with a little toothpick, and then you can eat it right on the street. We did a Korean Detroit pop-up several years back. You can watch the recipe video for our Korean Detroit style pizza here. We also did a Flamin saganaki Ddukbokki dish. Saganaki is a dish that features fried Greek cheese. At our favorite restaurant, Nikki's, which is in Detroit's Greek town, they will pour brandy on it, light it afire, yell "Oppa," and then extinguish it with a squeeze of lemon. It's become common to add melted cheese on top of Ddukbokki. And since saganaki is our favorite cheese dish, we figured this would be a genius combination. The saltiness of the kasseri cheese balances the spicy sweetness of the rice cakes. I'll also show you some delicious spins on your standard Ddukbokki. Flame on. So I bought this giant, large baby size dashima at the Korean market. And so what I like to do is so this is essentially dried seaweed or dried kelp, which is used to make dashi, or like a really delicious broth or base for the Ddukbokki. And since it was really big, I learned this trick from my friend Eric, is to cut these into smaller pieces for storage. Save my dashima for another round. This is my homemade gochujang. So this is fresh rice cakes, or kare떡, which you can get at Korean grocery stores. So you can definitely just use refrigerated or frozen rice cakes too. These cook a lot faster and sort of are chewier because they're fresher. For the refrigerated rice cakes or the frozen rice cakes, you'll just want to soak them and then rinse them to get rid of that like alcohol flavor that tends to be in the packaged ones. It's fun to peel these. My favorite memories of eating Ddukbokki was with like my mom. We would go to Korea every summer, and she went to a women's university called Yooeating, and they had a really good little 분식집, or a little like snack shop, sort of the homiest, you know, little shop, like hole in the wall place to be able to just eat ddukbokki and spicy rice cakes on like a little platter with your mom. So this is kasseri cheese, which is a medium hard Greek sheep's milk cheese. Now we're gonna cut the cheese. Nick and I actually went to Greece on our honeymoon and we tried saganaki at all the places we possibly could, and there was a really wide range of saganaki. Sometimes it was like battered and deep fried, sometimes it was served like on crusty bread. The saganaki was never set aflame in Greece though. It's definitely a Midwestern thing. All right, here we go. Oh, that's good. All right, here we go. Got our Greek brandy. Whew. Okay, I'm nervous. Whoa, Opa. Yummy. So this was our saganaki ddukbokki. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Sorry we did not get bigger flames. This one's for Nick. Be careful. This one's for Pierce. I just feel a little over my lashes a little bit. Blame on. Blame on. Blame on. Blame on. Blame on.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. Okay, it's going back. I'm failing. Let's go. Nick, I think you need to do it.
Movie magic.
Yeah, it's not easy. Opa!